Okay, we're walking into the research center. There is the land that still have to be built upon. In this area here will be the public aquarium. It'll be about 45 feet wide, about 60 to 65 feet long. It will have fishes from the three major rivers in the area: Rio Amazon, Rio Itaya, and Rio Nanai. We pan around there. Here will be a garden area, fruits, local fruits. Pan around. You can see our septic tank system. Not in yet, but we're trying. Here in front of us is the leach field for the septic tank, so at least we have the leach field complete. So let's walk into the officina, the office. So here's the office. We're actually using it as our laboratory right now, doing the parasite work. So all our rooms will have ceiling fans in them, as well as air conditioners. This room will not have an air conditioner, as Carlos, who is our resident manager, says he does not need one, and he'll be spending most of the time in here. There is a little air conditioner unit for our laboratory. So let's connect it to that wall. We go outside. That's the wall of the fish room. Here we're walking into the laboratory. Freshly painted. There will be the counters. So counters are surrounding the lab. These cubby holes, every place you see a C will be a cabinet. Without a C is a work area. So there are 6 workstations here with about 8 or 9 cabinets that will store equipment and stuff. There's our breaker system here. In this area here we'll have a refrigerator and cabinet system for glassware. Here will be our sink. There's the outlet for the spigot. So again, we have not installed, but there will be a light here, a ceiling fan, and a light fixture there. And in the upper left-hand corner, you can see the outlet that will be the air conditioner. So let's go outside. Walk over to the fish facility. The roof was just installed. Skylights. This is the aquarium room. It is about 36, 38 feet wide and 63 feet long. So a fairly large fish room. Here we'll have aquariums. We'll have raceways. We'll have experimental tanks. So this is where all our experiments will take place. And as we walk up here, you can see another level. And this level here will be where the residential site is where our dormitories. So in this area here, you can see the stakes. One's on the ground now. This will be a taxonomy lab where we'll have fish collections from the local area. Behind it, we'll have our dormitories, double occupancy rooms. And then stretching out here in an L will be the common kitchen area. Right next to it, we'll have a classroom, lecture room type situation that will fit around 50 people. And as we walk over here, in this other level, we'll have a residence, a small apartment for the director. And again, back here will be a small garden area. There is our reservoir. We have naturally flowing water that runs into the land. So for our aquarium systems, we will not have to pump in water. There is another small spring in this area. You can see some water collecting there. We'll be putting in a small reservoir, kind of like the septic system, that will be perforated. We'll have gravel in it. It'll allow for infiltration of water into that we'll also use for some of our ponds. So we come back here. In this area we'll also have our well dug. One of the problems we have here in Iquitos is, even though people think, ooh, you're in the Amazon, acidic water, the groundwater, the water that's used for the wells, highly basic. pH tends to be about 7.6 to 7.8. Very hard water, 2 to 300 microsiemens. Also, one of the problems they have here is the groundwater tends to have high levels of iron, anywhere from 5 to 10 milligrams per liter of iron. So if we use that straight, it will stain all the fixtures, porcelain, you name it. And so we're going to have a filtration system that filters out the iron from the water. The hardness, pH, I'm not worried about that, since this water will be used for dishwashing, clothes washing, in the bathrooms. You can drink it, but we'll also have bottled water on site for people to use if they don't feel comfortable using this water. And the bottled water will also be used for all cooking. So that is a little look around of our setup. Here we have just our where we keep all our materials. It locks up every night. Once we have everything set up, this will be torn down, and back there we'll build a building where we keep all our supplies. So I hope you enjoyed your small tour of the aquarium, not of the aquarium, but of the Amazon Research Center for Ornamental Fishes. We hope that within 3 to 4 months the dormitories will be put in and will be complete, and that we'll be able to start hosting classes for students starting mid to late June 2019. So we will keep you posted on all that's happening at the Amazon Research Center for Ornamental Fishes. And there is our resident director, Carlos Chicapiando Guardia. Say hola.
Hello.
Hello, okay.